Welcome to Autos Play, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the modern modified 1930 Citroën B10, a vehicle that blends classic elegance with modern enhancements for a refined driving experience. At the front, the B10 retains its vintage charm while incorporating subtle upgrades. The iconic grille has been reworked with a fine mesh pattern, seamlessly complementing the round headlamps, now equipped with LED inserts for improved illumination. The front bumper has been slightly redesigned, integrating discrete air vents to enhance cooling without disrupting the car's timeless aesthetics. A sculpted hood with gentle contours adds depth, while polished chrome accents provide a sophisticated yet nostalgic touch. From the side, the B10 showcases its classic proportions with refined details that enhance its presence. Crisp character lines along the body emphasize its elegant stance, and it now rides on vintage-style wire-spoke wheels with a glossy black finish, wrapped in modern radial tires for better comfort and handling. The running boards have been streamlined for a cleaner look, while subtly flared fenders accommodate the upgraded wheel setup. Chrome door handles and window trims maintain authenticity while adding a luxurious touch, and the gently sloping roofline enhances the car's graceful silhouette. At the rear, carefully integrated modern elements elevate the B10's timeless appeal. A continuous LED taillight strip has been subtly embedded, blending harmoniously with the vehicle's classic design. The rear bumper has been refined, featuring a discrete skid plate and twin exhaust tips that hint at the enhanced performance. A high-mounted stop lamp is seamlessly integrated for safety, while a subtly sculpted rear spoiler enhances aerodynamics without disrupting the car's historic character. Inside, the cabin presents a harmonious fusion of vintage craftsmanship and modern technology. The seats are upholstered in hand-stitched leather, featuring elegant patterns with refined contrast stitching. A custom-crafted wooden dashboard houses an upgraded instrument cluster with digital enhancements, seamlessly combining old-world charm with modern functionality. A discreetly integrated infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering a contemporary touch without compromising the classic ambience. Soft ambient lighting, a vintage-inspired flat-bottom steering wheel, and ergonomically designed controls contribute to an immersive and refined driving experience. Under the hood, the 1930 B10 receives a respectful yet modernized powertrain. A 1.2 liters turbocharged inline-4 engine delivers 95 horsepower and 140 Nm of torque, providing a smooth yet engaging driving experience. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or a refined automatic transmission, the updated powertrain ensures effortless cruising while preserving the vehicle's classic essence. A mild hybrid system subtly assists with fuel efficiency, allowing the B10 to deliver a balance of performance and practicality. For more exciting automotive updates, don't forget to subscribe to Autos Play.